And this is the first add-ons that I'm going to be putting onto the scooter. Should be anyway. Nothing's back ordered. A nice TrailTech catalog, 2014 catalog. First item up for bid is the digital temperature gauge, where I will be able to measure my cylinder head temperature. And the second one is a tachometer, so I can read my RPMs. And then in addition, I bought a 4-foot cable so I could stretch that temperature gauge all the way up to the dash. First impressions are these gauges are a lot smaller than what I thought they were going to be, but they should work just fine. There you go. I'll be putting those on the next bit of cool or rainy weather that we have where I can't ride the scoot. Go Tigers.